In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for Amazon Flex Driver. We'll walk through the app from download to background check so you know exactly what to expect and how to avoid common delays. Start by downloading the Amazon Flex app on your mobile device. Once it's installed, open it and sign in with your Amazon account. If you already have an account, tap Sign In with Amazon. If you don't have one yet, select Create an Account and complete the quick registration. Make sure you can access the email you use, since updates and confirmations will be sent there. When the app requests permissions, allow what's required. These typically include location, notifications, and camera access, which are necessary for finding delivery areas, receiving updates, and uploading documents. After granting permissions, tap Continue. Next, review the eligibility requirements displayed on the screen. Take a moment to read through them carefully. If you don't meet all the requirements yet, pause here and gather the necessary documents so you can move through the application smoothly. Once you're ready, tap Get Started and confirm that you meet all the eligibility criteria. Enter your postcode. This sets the delivery area where you'll be working, so choose the area that's most convenient for you. Then select your preferred delivery days by tapping the heart icon next to each day you want, for example, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and tap Next. You'll do the same for delivery times. Pick the time windows that suit your schedule, mark them with a heart, and tap Next. These preferences help the system match you with available blocks. Now add your vehicle information, enter the transmission type, model, and fuel type, then confirm that this is the vehicle you'll be using. Double check everything before continuing. Incorrect or incomplete details can delay or even block your application, so it's worth verifying the entries. Complete the remaining steps in the app, which include uploading your ID, submitting your vehicle documents, and completing a background check. For document uploads, use clear, well-lit photos with all edges visible, and make sure the information matches what you entered in the app. Background checks can take some time, so keep an eye on your email and the app for updates. If delivery slots are available in your area, your application will proceed right away. If no slots are available, you may be placed on a waiting list and contacted when positions open. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Amazon tips and tutorials.